With Pixel phones, external mics will connect, no bother, but you still have to change a setting to get it to actually work down here. And you need to do it every time. Usually it tells you when you open up, go to video, up here, but it doesn't, it says tap arrow, but it doesn't say where the arrow is. You need to swipe up slightly to get into video settings, and you need to change from phone mic to wireless mic, wired mic, as they're calling it. So it's this setting. Usually the default's phone mic, and it keeps going back to that. You need to change it to wired mic. Phone mic. Wired mic, as they're calling it. Wireless. Here. Wired. Wireless. So you need to be there, and that'll go back on default to phone mic every time. So you need to keep changing that. Open the camera. Go to video. Swipe up just slightly. There's the video settings. Microphone, it's default phone mic. You need to change it every time to wired mic, even though it's wireless. So many things I dislike about this phone, and this is one of them. I need to go to video. There I'm getting a warning, but it says tap arrow. I've no idea where. But you need to swipe up the microphone, phone mic. By default, you need to change it to wired mic, even though this is wireless. It thinks it's wired. Open camera. Go to video. Swipe up. Microphone, phone mic by default, switch to wired. So even though the mic connects, no bother, you don't need to bother about plug and play or anything, you still need to change the default in the video settings, which is a total nuisance, and you'll probably need to do it every time. Okay. Open camera, go to video, swipe up, microphone, phone mic by default, switch to wired.